Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys we'll be working on a Bmw E46 and we'll go ahead and show you how to remove or replace side mirror. This one right here, we'll demonstrate on the front left side, the right side will be about the same procedure, and if you need specifically video for the right side it will be on the channel. Also guys, we'll have more than 200 videos taking this whole car apart, anything from engine work, interior work, so please guys subscribe, and if you need help with anything drop a comment below. We'll try to make a video for you. So let's go ahead, start on it, and thank you for being part of the channel. All the parts and tools that we use guys will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. Now since we'll be close to the airbag, what I would recommend is to disconnect the car battery at least 30 minutes to 1 hour before you start working on any parts of the door that you face that way, because you don't want that airbag to blow in your face. So that will be the first thing that we will do. So let's go ahead, disconnect the battery. Now we need to pull that cover out of the trunk. Now usually right here guys you have two clips, plastic clips that you need to pull out, but those are already missing, so you just need to remove the clips, pull it out. This is your car battery right here. So we need to disconnect the negative terminal first, and after that we disconnect the positive. Now on the positive you have to be very gentle because it's part of the airbag system, and if you pull too hard on it you can damage the connector, so you have to make sure that it's loose. Okay, this one should come out actually now. So I'll recommend using gloves. Okay, and you need to grab it for the terminal and pull it out. Now if you do it with your fingers and there is acid, it can severely burn your skin. So the next step will be to remove a few bolts now that we need to get a Torx. Okay, Torx in our case, let me see what this one is, 20. Torx 20, and there is a few screws that we will need to remove. Okay, one right there. They're kind of in an angle sometimes, so it's hard to find them. Okay, you can see how they're in an angle, like that. It doesn't go straight, it goes a little bit up. Now, there is one more over there on the bottom side of the door handle. So that's where it's located. This is the second one. After that there is a third one right here. Okay, I'm trying to see if I can focus with the camera inside, but I cannot get the angle. Okay, check out how the screwdriver is tilted a little bit. That's how the bolt is. We'll go ahead and remove this one too. Okay, perfect. Now, we need to remove that airbag cover. And there is a couple clips on this one, so you have to be very gentle how you remove it so you don't break it. So we'll just get a plastic trim removal tool like this one. That way we will minimize the damage to the plastic and we will avoid scratching it up. So let's go ahead and see actually, okay, which way the clips is. Because we want to avoid breaking it, so you have to take your time. Okay, those are the two clips, you can see. And they're double clips on the bottom and the top. Now inside that cover there is another bolt there that we'll need to remove. And it is with the same Torx tool that we used earlier. Okay, you can see how long this one is. After that, there is a screw under the interior door handle there. Perfect, just like that. So if you grab your panel with a panel remover tool or with your hands, if you can get them between the panel and the door, you can pry it out, and then here it comes out this way as well. There is 6 clips on top, and you need to pull it out of the lock mechanism right here. So once you remove the door panel, you need to disconnect the cable for the interior door handle. So just pry this way or grab the tooth and push it towards the back. It will come out. After that, we need to disconnect the wires for the little speaker here. With a flathead screwdriver, there is a tooth that you pry out. You pull the wire out. After that, we need to disconnect the speaker wire by pressing both of those things in and pull it out. Now, the mirror switch, the easiest way to remove it is stick your finger in that hole and push up. When you push up, okay, the mirror switch will come out. Now, you can go ahead and disconnect that wire as well. Okay, just like that. And the door panel will come out of there, as you can see, just like that. Let me show you now how many clips we have on the back side. Okay, now some of them will be broken and we'll need to replace them. You can order replacement ones, and I can share the link with you with the one that we will be using, so you can check them out. Now, you see right here you have a clip. Here you have 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one on the top 10, and we're missing one right here, 11. And then you have 6 little ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those 6 ones are the ones on top there. So all those clips will need to be, you need to make sure that you have them. This is a replacement one. For the ones that are broken, you just slide them in. And if you have some left on the door in the holes, check that, you need to remove them. So we got to the side mirror now and the wires, guys. Now, one thing about it, sometimes you can disconnect those wires, okay, if you pull them up without removing the door panel, but not always, because if it was removed, some people will not install them where they're supposed to be. So we included how to remove the door panel just in case you need it. If not, just skip that step and go to just right now. You have 2 wires. You might have 1 depending what model of BMW you have. So right here there is one little tooth. Press it in. Press in, pull the wire out. Same thing for the black wire. Okay, small tooth here. Press in, pull out. Now, how you remove that cover? I'm telling you guys, 90% of the people will break that cover because they don't know how to do it. You have 2 clips, one on top. The one on top, you just gently pry it out with a panel remover tool, okay, like that. Keep it out with your fingers. At the same time, with the other hand, push up. When you hear the click, kind of like you push up about ½ an inch, pull it out. Now, this is the bottom clip. The bottom clip slides right here. It goes in that canal, and then when it goes all the way up, you can pull it out, just like that. After that, all we have to do, remove 2 bolts. Okay, with 10mm socket. One is out. Now the second one here. One person will need to hold the mirror, because if you don't, it's going to drop. Now that seal, push it in and grab and pull your mirror out. And that's how you guys remove the mirror on BMW E46, coupe or convertible. Sedan will be very close procedure as well. So installation, everything is in reverse order that we took it apart. Please subscribe, many more videos to come, and see you guys next time.